Do you know two people can earn the same salary abroad, yet one quietly builds wealth while the other stays financially trapped for years? The question you ask is why? Because successful diasporans think differently about money. Many people believe financial success is only about income, but that's not completely true, because some high earners still struggle financially, while some average earners quietly build freedom. Why is it different? Is to do with their mindsets. And let's be honest, many Africans abroad experience pressure to look successful, send money home constantly, upgrade lifestyle quickly, and impress people socially. And unfortunately, that pressure leads many people into bad financial habits. And this is what happens. They want luxury things before acquiring assets. They will be spending before investing, and they want status before stability. Meanwhile, their stress levels increasing, savings disappear, and wealth building delays. And years later, many people wonder and ask themselves, how did I work this hard and still build so little? But here is the good news. Money mindset can be changed. I emphasize that can be changed. And once thinking changes, financial behavior changes too. Successful diasporans usually think differently about spending, investing, ownership, time, and delayed gratification. And those mindset shifts create completely different long-term outcomes. Financial psychology studies consistently show that behavior and mindset strongly influence long-term wealth building. So take, for example, person A. They spend emotionally, focuses on appearances, and lives reactively financially. But person B builds intentionally, invests consistently, avoids unnecessary pressure, and focuses on ownership. So let's compare the two of them. 10 years later, their futures look dramatically different, not because one was smarter naturally. It was because one developed better financial habits. And here the mindset shifts many successful, here is the mindset shift many successful diasporans follow. Assets before luxury, long-term thinking about instant gratification, investing before overspending, building asset, learning valuable skills, and avoiding comparison. And here is another important truth. Most wealthy people did not become wealthy overnight. They built slowly, quietly, and consistently. That's why patience matters financially. And listen carefully to this. Your financial future is shaped by the way you think about money today. And the earlier your mindset changes, the faster your future changes. Because wealth is rarely accidental. It is usually the result of repeated decisions over time. So if you want practical guidance on wealth building, financial mindset, side hustles, investing, building freedom abroad, look into the description under this video. You will find links to the resources I have ready waiting for you. And don't forget to subscribe to Diaspora African Success for weekly videos helping Africans building wealth intentionally. Thank you for watching.